suit, shirt, jeans, jacket, sweater, t-shirt, shorts, cap, a suit for work, a white shirt, blue jeans, a black jacket, a warm sweater, a grey t-shirt, shorts for summer, an orange cap. Dress, skirt, blouse, coat, hat, shoes, boots, bag, a purple dress, a skirt for school, a white blouse, a winter coat, a green hat, a pair of shoes, a pair of boots, a shoulder bag, boot, pool, goose, room, food, moon, roof, zoo, a lady's boot, a small pool, a noisy goose, a tidy room, takeaway food, moon and stars, a roof on a house, a day at the zoo. Book, cook, look, wool, foot, wood, hook, cookie, read a book, cook a meal, look at a text, wool from a sheep, a big left foot, a wooden crate, hook a fish, milk and cookies,